Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to learn about class 8 geography chapter 2, the population dynamic. Today we are going to learn the population pyramid, or which is also known as the age pyramid. Now what is age pyramid? Age pyramid shows the distribution of males and females of different age group in a particular country, which is shown in a pyramidical shape. The shape of the population pyramid indicates the condition. See, it's the condition and the population of that country, that whether they have got the more males or more females, or what is the condition of whether they have got dependent ratio more or not. So it is also known as the age pyramid because it says about the age also, that how many young people are there, how many aged people are there, whether how much is the country developed. Through this we can understand. Now there is one more thing, that is we can say that in a population pyramid, the total population is divided into different age groups, and the percentage of total population in each of these groups be subdivided into male and female, and then it is plotted graphically. So what happens, that we get a what will I say, calculation. We get a calculation of how many people are there, then we divided them into that how many ages, that means how many people are young, how many people are middle aged, how many are old age, then we divide them into as males and females. This division gives us different types of pyramid. A pyramid, then, if it comes with a broad base, shows that the birth rate is low. This we can get into, the example is the Japan. In Japan we get a pyramid which has got a broad base. Next pyramid we can show with a pyramid which is narrow and tapering at the top, shows high death rate. That means if it is narrow and tapering means which is getting a very much like a triangle in the top, it is we will say that it has got much more death rate, that is, it is decreasing. A pyramid which is not narrow shows low death rate. Okay, in India we see the birth rate is high, thus the population pyramid has broad base as well as narrow at the top, reflecting high death rate. I will show you the pyramid right now. Now we will see the pyramids right now. Here, see, this is a kind of a pyramid which we see in the Kenya. Now what is the age group? At the down we know that this is the age group. Now here it is getting, that means the birth rate is more, then slowly it is getting tapering to the top. That means, see, the age nearly 66, here 70, 75, then 80, 84. Here the death rate is so much that is getting tapering. Okay, this is Kenya 2014. We have got this kind of a pyramid which shows that it has got a flat base. That means the birth rate is more, but the death rate, see, the death rate is so more that it is getting tapering. That means it is becoming less, it is becoming narrow. Now I will show you the other one I was talking about. I will show you the here Japan. We have seen that, see how it was the birth rate and the death rate. See, the rate here is less than this, that is the age, the young age is more, the young age group of people is more, and the death rate is nearly same, and the birth rate is not that much, it is medium. That means it has got a medium birth rate, not much. So it is not, it has got a nearly the flattened in the middle part. Now let us see another one. I will show you another one. Yes, yeah, this is India. So in India we see that the birth rate is so much, and the young children, like the children part I am saying, that is the first group that we have told about in population. The first group is so much, but the middle age, the working age is less. See 45, 50 year, and slowly the death rate is also maximum. So here it is tapering, so it is, the base is broad and it is like a triangular in shape. So this is all about population pyramid. See you again. Thank you. Stay blessed.